Hello world, Joel Merglot here from Merritt Ford. Wanted to talk to you about this 2024 F-350 Superduty 6.7 POWERSTROKE with the high output engine. Pretty sweet truck. So I'm standing right above the fifth wheel prep, which is great. Obviously this time of year, everyone's thinking about heading camping. We got the camera back here, so if you are loading this thing by yourself, set this camera up. Works really well so that you can line it up yourself and get all set to go camping. Just going to work my way down here with this trusty tailgate ladder. Didn't even spill my coffee. One of the nice features about the back of these boxes is your power components. This one's complete with the camper package, so you've got all your power components to hook up your camper and your trailer. Really nice thing with the back of these boxes too is the LED lights, which I really like, especially if you got a tonneau cover on and you got some stuff in the back and you want to see what's under there and reach around and grab it in the middle of the night. You can do that simply by pushing that button. One of the other nice creative things that Ford has come out with is a nice step in the side of the bumper and a nice firm place to grip and pull yourself up. And if you weren't paying attention how I got into this truck, this is another nice step on the front of the box, which I really like. If you have like a toolbox or something like that that sits up here, you can access it from here, grab your items that you need, and away you go. Let's go check out the inside of this vehicle. Hello again. Welcome to the inside of the vehicle. Oh, man, this is nice. Fire this up with the ease of just pushing a button. All right, so many features in here and it's hard to just touch on all of them, but we got memory seats over on this side. We've got adjustable pedals, which is really nice when you're tall like I am and you want to set your comfort levels with your pedals and your steering wheel, which is power as well, power telescopic. It's really nice to be able to customize this vehicle, set your mirrors, and then all you got to do is hold your memory seat, just beeped at me. Now everything's set in stone. Isn't that wonderful? So over here we've got our cruise control, adaptive cruise control, as well as a nice feature called lane centering. That's going to keep you in the middle of the lines instead of doing the old classic bounce back and forth between the lines. It keeps you nice and centered. Over here we got the beautiful touchscreen. Kind of what you see is what you get. Audio, what you're listening to, phone, whose phone's connected, nav, where you're going and where you want to be. We've got the Pro Trailer Backup Assist, so if you programmed your trailer into the truck's memory bank, this acts as your steering wheel, and you could do just backwards 360s over and over again. Really, really fun. Crowd pleaser for sure, and you wouldn't jackknife. Automatic 4x4 functions down here. Twisting this dial gives you the drive modes. So you've got your normal, you've got your towing modes. You can let the vehicle know if the conditions are slippery out there. Lots of nice driving modes that you can work with your vehicle on. Heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, conductive charging down here. Lots of power ports. Depending on how you like to store all your shrapnel, cup holders, or this slides over and now you got 4 cup holders. Really, really cool feature. Lots of cargo storage in here, more power in there. We got some hidden storage right here. Did you even know that existed? All right, so this truck is beautiful. It's one of our last remaining 2024s. Love to make a deal with you. Come on down to Merritt Ford and check it out.